What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Packed Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. We going up to Minneapolis, baby. We gotta go get the 411 on one of America's most beautiful creations, the Juicy Lucy. It's not just any burger. Creamification, juicification, it's all there. Welcome back. It's another episode of Jam Packed Cooking. Let's eat. 72. Let's go, baby. What's up, gang? Welcome back. Today we in Minneapolis, baby, and we doing the Juicy Lucy. Talking about the ooey gooey inside out cheeseburger. Today is gonna be all about quality ingredients. Gotta do it right for the gang, baby. We're going with the Wagyu beef. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna take it out and handle this accordingly. Today we working with about a couple pounds of this Wagyu beef, baby. You know it's top of the line. This is not that other stuff. Bust it open. These patties are pre-made, but we don't really care about all that because we got to put the flavorification on it. What we got here is an 80-20 blend of meat to fat ratio, man. This is the best ratio that's made up for these burgers. It's going to give you the maximum juicification. You can't go wrong with the Wagyu beef. It's super soft because of the fat. As soon as you touch it, you can see your fingers start to get all oily. You can use it for lotions if you want to. If you don't know what a Juicy Lucy is, gang, basically an inside-out cheeseburger. Put the patties on the outside and you put the cheese on the inside. Seal it up. We wash our hands up. That's right, we still washing our hands, staying clean. Take advantage right now and get some flavor in this beef. We got some of my desegregation rub here. You can get that on the site, BIGSMOKEYS.com for your desegregation rub. Going in with a couple teaspoons, baby, 2 teaspoons, and then you can salt the taste. Big shout out to everybody out here supporting the channel, man, getting this desegregation rub, this magic dust, the sauce, and the barbecue. We salute you, we double salute you. BIGSMOKEYSBBQ.com for your magic dust and other stuff, man. We appreciate it. Listen, tablespoon of the magic dust. Flavor that beef all the way through, man. The magic dust, baby. A couple teaspoons of the worship sauce. The worship sauce. Kick that beef flavor all the way up. This seasoned blend here, trust me, it's gonna make some of the best burger flavorification you ever tasted. Get in with our clean hands and give it a mix. Don't overmix your beef. Don't play with your meat too much, not too much of the beef. We got the seasoning well dispersed through the beef. Set this in the box, let it marinate for about a couple hours, and you'll be great. Minimum 2 hours. Best burgers you're gonna ever taste. Let's go, baby, stick it in the box. This is what's gonna kick it up a whole nother notch. Bacon, onion jam on our Juicy Lucy. Follow me. This don't take a lot of time, baby, it's just about technique. If I dare you, yellow onion here, right down the middle. Take the tops off. Onion, peeled in half, just like that. Cut them maybe a ½ inch. Half onion, sweet onion. It's gonna caramelize down just right, man. It's gonna be great on these Juicy Lucy's, baby. Kick them to the side. Let's get the bacon. We got a pound of this thick cut bacon. I'll strip it out. Same size, about a ½ inch. Not too thin, not too thick. Bacon gonna add plenty of flavor in here, though. I'm gonna cut the rest of this up to show you how we put this jam together. All right, just like that. We got our bacon and we got our onions, baby. We're gonna combine this and make something muy delicioso. We got the cast iron out today. Fire on that cast iron. Take this thing low and slow. You can't rush this one here. Once we got some heat on this cast iron, I got canola oil here. You use your favorite oil. About a tablespoon of your oil just so we won't have no sticky. Start off with the bacon. Pound the bacon down. Render this out real low and slow. All right, gang. So at this point, basically, we got this on like a medium low heat just to cook down the bacon and render a lot of the fat out so we can throw our onions in and get it to saute, man. This step here is strictly from the gang. This is a gang original move. When we doing our bacon onion jam. Don't get it twisted, baby. I ain't saying the gang created this Juicy Lucy. I heard it was started somewhere up in Minneapolis. If you know, leave it down in the comment, because we don't. Keep an eye on your bacon though, because we're not trying to get the crispification. Right here is just about the time you want to throw your onions in the pan. It's rendered down. Get your onions in the pot. Yes, Lord, onions and bacon, how could you go wrong? Being that this is a cured pork belly bacon, we're not gonna put a lot of salt in here. We actually just going in with about a ½ teaspoon of the desegregation rub. Another ½ teaspoon of the magic dust. Teaspoon worship sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Gang, this is key, man. To help bring out the sweetness of those onions. We're gonna throw us in a teaspoon of sugar. Yeah, sugar. Teaspoon. Give it a mix. And then everything break down and cook down. This is about a 10 to 15 minute process. One more thing I like to add in here is agua, just plain water. I'm gonna add about a couple tablespoons of water in the pot. That's gonna help the onion steam and not so much as fry. That's gonna create that jam and help break down the sugars and everything. Put it on a medium low heat and let it cook down. And we're at the most important part, the cheese. So we got a few different cheeses here, gang. You use your favorite cheese. I wanna add a smoky element to this. We got the smoked bacon, the cured pork belly bacon, caramelized onion, the whole bacon jam thing going on. This is gonna keep up with the theme. Yeah, this is gonna be summertime fine. Shout out to everybody in Texas. Make sure y'all stay safe. Big old Rick out there, man. We salute everybody, all the first responders that's doing their thing. Y'all stay safe. We praying for you. Amen. Amen. We got some smoked Gouda. This is gonna give you that ooey gooey with the smoky element, applewood smoked cheddar. Cheddar make it better. Give it a little bit more bite. What's that? 1,000-day aged Gouda. She's been sitting somewhere for over 1,000 days. Would you eat it? Leave it down in the comment. Would you eat 1,000-day aged Gouda? Come on over here, gang. This is what you don't want. Look, you don't want it to start to get too much caramelization on it. The best way to slow it down, though, if it's moving too fast on you, hit it with another couple tablespoons of agua. Water. That's gonna keep the steaming factor going. That's gonna help everything keep breaking down and coming together. This has been going for about maybe 6 minutes now. Looks like we're gonna go for a whole 15 minutes. Cause I want it break down. I want it broke. We want it all the way down to a jam consistency, almost to where we can spread it. Not quite yet. Put it back to the side, let it keep going. Let's crack our cheese open. We got a box grater here. 3 different sizes. We're going with the medium. We're gonna go with the medium because we want this cheese to melt, become ooey gooey on the inside of those burgers. If you make it too big, better chance you open up your burger. No juicy, that's not what we about. This is that smoked Gouda. We're gonna go in with about a half a cup of each on the cheeses. Now you use just as much cheese as you need. If you're doing 1,000 burgers, you're gonna have to increase the recipe 1,000 times. The exact recipe will be down in the description. Pound for pound, tablespoon for tablespoon. You can go down there and get it and make these burgers exactly how the gang making these burgers. We got about a half a cup of this cheese going into the bowl. Half a cup smoked cheddar going into the bowl. 1,000 days. Grate us in a quarter cup of this. Just like that. Quarter cup going into the bowl. Before we keep going, we gotta check on our, yes, Lord, you can tell everything's starting to break down. Oh, God. It's almost there, man. It's been going for almost close up to somewhere about 10 minutes. Let it keep going. Let everything keep breaking down. Bring home the bacon, literally. We're going to use a bonder for this. For our bonder, we're going to use the best processed American cheese money can buy. Man, it's just VELVEETA. We're going to put about a half a cup of VELVEETA. Going to hold it all together. Going to glue it together. Creamy. The liquid gold. Quarter cup of mozzarella cheese going in. Give all this a mix. We're going to be able to take some of that cheese, form you a little patty. Make our Juicy Lucy like no other Juicy Lucy. Have a very special sauce. You know, what's a burger without sauce? All you need is 2 ingredients. 2. Uno, dos. Right now, going down in the comments. Tell me what it is. I'll wait. Go ahead. Wrong. Gang, this is what we got, baby. Boom, boom. Truffle aioli. The easy way, baby. 2 ingredients only. White truffle oil, the best mayonnaise you can find. Dukes and white truffle oil. Match made in heaven for these burgers. Bowl. Dukes, 2 taps, squeeze. Quarter cup. Make it magical. BIGSMOKEYSBBQ.com. This is the key. Magic dust. White truffle oil. Truffle in the whole is an acquired taste. So you don't want to go crazy and, you know, let me show you. Hold on right quick. Bowl, truffle oil. Exhibit A, what not to do. I can guarantee you, you do that, you're going to be down in my DM. It ain't me. It was you. Listen, truffle oil the right way. Tip, stop. Cut it. Give it a mix. Whip it. Lick it the whisk. The smell. Perfecto. Quick, 2 seconds. Truffle aioli. Wrap it up, put it to the side. You already know how that Wagyu melt. You know, keys. You hear me? Keys. It's the vibe. Gloves. Unwrap our beef, make us some burgers. What is a Juicy Lucy, Chef Ray? Let me show you what the Juicy Lucy is. Parchment paper, please. No parchment, is out of the budget. No budget for the parchment paper? Don't worry about it. That's all that fancy ass. We don't need that. Let's go. Beef, cheese, great beef, good cheese, great cheese. Now, I'm not weighing these burgers out. I'm not doing all that because they ain't paying me enough. I'm doing it for the gang though, so I'm gonna tell you the key. Quarter pound of burger. Now, you know this is not gonna be that perfect round. Oh, that's so pretty. Not over here. We got the beef, grab the cheese, make us a football. Football goes here. Stay with me. Another quarter pound of beef. Put the other patty right up top, go around the side, lock it in. Lock it in. That's how we do it over here. Big slider. No small, no wimpy sliders. We finna bust the rest of these Juicy Lucy patties out, and I'm gonna bring you right back. Finna fix us some burgers and put it all together. Let's go, baby. Get back. No handshake. Corona. Get back. Put your mask on. We got burgers. Put them in the fridge, let them stiffen back up. Let's get some buns ready, man. Let's build these burgers. A flat top griddle. Cast iron, you know how we do it. Get some heat on the cast iron. Yes, Lord. That's becoming very hot. Remember this here? Yeah, all the bits and the render fat from the bacon. This is what we're gonna use to butter our buns. Drop it in there just like that. Boom, just like that. Down on the flat top. We are using a brioche bun. I recommend the brioche, a batter bun all the way around. It's an eggy bun, fluffification, toasted buns. Put them together, set them to the side. Grill these burgers. Let's go, baby. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Typically, when I cook my burgers, I got a fire going, I got some charcoal going, the flavors. It's still the wintertime. It's cold out there. It's snowing, it's pouring. It's rough. So we doing them inside. Medium, high heat. You don't want to overcook the burgers too fast on the outside. Everybody is good. You know, we don't want anybody sticking. This is Wagyu. The fat in this burger is gonna render. I'm gonna have to make sure I don't get a 5-alarm fire. Oh, yes, Lord. You know what that is, my favorite ringtone, the sizzle. As you put the burgers down, you can tell how it immediately start to pool and release that juice. This is Wagyu. Yeah, I'm not kidding about the Wagyu fat. We're gonna have fat all through this pan in just a minute. The sizzle. Yes, Lord, the sizzle. I don't know if you're late to the video, if you fast forward, or what did you do, but you got to this point right here. We cooking burger patties. Why you ain't putting no seasoning on that burger? Rewind it, go back to the beginning. This is Wagyu. Wagyu. Yeah, the magic dust at BIGSMOKEYSBBQ.com. It's in there. 4 or 5 minutes per side. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip them in between a couple times to make sure we don't go burn it. Yeah, we don't like burning. Let's cook up some burgers, baby. Let's go. Juicy Lucy time.
You can spin the block with Glock, bitch, you not like me. All that catch niggas stop, bitch, you not like me. I'm certified so I can pop my shit like me, bitch, you not like me.
And just like that, baby, we got Juicy Lucy. They done about 3/4 of the way through. We're gonna throw them in the oven, let them go just right. Preheat it to 400, we're gonna put it in there for 5 minutes. In the oven we go, Juicy Lucy time. Oh, God. Yes, Lord. We got the ooey gooey. How you like your burger? Don't even worry about it, I got you today. We're gonna build up a few of these sliders. You got the toasty mosty with the buttery rolls. You know that's the brioche bun. White truffle oil. AIOLI. Don't be stingy with the AIOLI. Edge to edge. That was a pound of bacon and a pound of sweet Vidalia onions. You can eat this on anything. Anything. Spread it on there just like that. Not too much because you don't want to take over that good beef flavor. Bacon, onion jam. Now these next steps is optional. Pickle and the mater. It's like that. It's time. Oozing out of there. You know it's juicy. Set it right up top. Station her down. These ain't no wimpy sliders, baby. She already leaking. Oh, you thought we was finished, then? No, sir. This is our special cheese sauce. Recipe will be down in the description. It ain't easy being cheesy, baby. Take your ladler of the cheese. Oh, God. Oh, God. For you, we got you. We got you. And you can get as crazy as you want to with the cheese. Boom. Yes, Lord. Look at her. She look good, don't she? It's a difference when you messing with the game. Cut it open. We gotta see what it look like. We got the ooey gooey bacon jam, the pickle, the maters, cheese just oozing through there, and you know it's juicy. Look at her. If your burger ain't got the drip, keep your burger. We got to try it out. It's time. Come here. Come here. Wait a minute. We gotta look at this. You have to look at this, gang. Let me start with the beef, the Wagyu. Double salute to the Wagyu. Then you got a double salute to the cheese and the healthy veggies, but you know what the kicker is? It's the bacon and onion jam. Listen, man, we fresh out of Texas, off the Texas taco tour. We still in the first quarter of the New Year's. I hope everybody's doing great, doing good. Head over to BIGSMOKEYSBBQ.com. Grab you some of that magic dust, because that magic dust, oh my, the presents and this. Big salute to everybody that's getting the magic dust. You see your name running right here or somewhere over here, maybe down here. It's up here, you see your name. Big shout out to you, thank you. We appreciate you. I gotta get out of here, gang. Look, man, I appreciate you for watching. I love you for watching. I thank you for watching. Big happy New Year to all my followers. Look at the cheese as we get ready to go. Right now, I want you to go smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, because we always jamming and cooking. Don't forget to share this video, because when you share this video with your family and friends, YouTube love that, and they're going to keep Chef Ray Mr. Money on your big screen. Cheese is still going. And that's it. Just like that, baby. Until next time, Chef Ray Mr. Money. Y'all stay jamming and cooking. Peace and love.